I'm joined by Consumer Affairs Minister Mr. Prahlad Joshi. Pleasure talking to you, sir, ET now. GST 2.0 kicks in today. What steps have been taken to ensure a smooth transition?
I just don't call it a GST 2.0. It is a next gen GST. And as I mentioned right now here a few minutes back, that in the renewable energy sector itself, by reducing from 18% to 5%, in all parts of the renewable, including electrolyzers in green hydrogen, modules, everything, even in wind energy, from 18 to 5%, we are going to save 1 lakh crore rupees to 1.5 lakh crore. This is the quantum which only in one sector Prime Minister Modi ji has gifted on this day of Navratri. And of course to the common people, a big way, like for example I quoted in my speech also, कॉफी के लिए बेंगलुरु में अगर 100 रुपए का कॉफी है तो 20 रुपए टैक्स देना पड़ता था. आज से वो 20 रुपए चले गए. देयर इज नो 20 रुपए, देयर इज नो 20 रुपीज टैक्स. मैं दक्षिण भारत से आता हूं, मैं डोसा खाता हूं तो मुझे 20% देना पड़ता था. 100 रुपए का डोसा है तो 20 रुपए का टैक्स था, वो जीरो हो गया है. All Indian breads are zero. Majority of food items either 0 or 5%. So yesterday Karnataka Milk Federation has given advertisement. 40 rupees उनका जो घी का है वो 40 rupees कम हुआ है. This is the biggest ever gift to the people of this country by Prime Minister Shri Modi. After taking over as the Prime Minister, many reforms under the leadership of Prime Minister it is done. I can say the reforms began only after Modi took over. I think ये सब रिफॉर्म का अगर इसके बाप कोई है तो ये जीएसटी.
लेकिन इसको how do you monitor this, sir? How do you monitor the?
So we are monitoring. We have established a helpline, and in the Consumer Affairs Department also, where the consumer related items are there. अगर उधर कोई इसका लाभ गरीबों को पहुंचा नहीं रहे तो हम इसका मॉनिटर जरूर करेंगे.
Thank you. Please.